A very cheerful good morning to the principal, all teachers, staff members, and students. How charming and beautiful is today's sunrise, and indeed, every sunrise is a new opportunity. We should not miss it. I hope you all have started your day with a positive attitude, full of energy and smile. A small positive thought can change our whole day, and starting your day with positive thought and discipline can change your life. Moreover, starting your day positively is quite essential, and if you start your day in a positive mood, you will remain happy and disciplined throughout the day. Be grateful for whatever you have. If you express gratitude about your life, you will feel more and happier about your life. Respect yourself, your parents, your teachers, and everyone in your surrounding. Be a kind person and very organized student. My dear students, remember one thing. You all are very lucky for getting this type of learning environment where millions of children do not get the chance to go to the school. You all come to school every day with clean clothes, complete school material, and with tasty and yummy lunch boxes. Don't you think that you all are so lucky? Yes, indeed. We should be honored that all our instructors are qualified enough and are the best teachers to help you learn something every day. Remember, we do not just learn here in the school to read and write, but we should learn a way to live our life here. We learn how to carry on ourselves in the world out there and how to live an admirable life. I hope that when you attend your classes after the assembly, you may fizzing with enthusiasm, excitement, and passion to learn something new and have a lot of fun throughout the day. Thank you, children, and thank you, everyone, for organizing such a marvelous and an organized morning assembly. Now, children, move to your respective classes and have a nice day. Allah Hafiz. Thank you, children.